Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO Y17 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then you need to tap on I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window though about new updates, choose whatever you want to and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO Y17 and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on 17, use all of those categories at the top to select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!